So hello everyone, welcome to OneClass YouTube channel. My name is Devansh Purohit, and today we'll go through a couple of pre-calculus problems. And I think that these problems will be at high school and university level. I'm not sure that um, you'll get these problems at middle school level, but yeah, anything can happen. And yeah, so a little bit background about myself. So I'm in the final year of my graduation, and I'm doing my graduation in aerospace engineering. And if you need any tutoring help or if you need any one-to-one live sessions, then you can always check the links in the description below. And so, without wasting your time, let's just begin with our lesson today. So, I guess uh, everything is visible right now. I'll just start my lesson. So, we have the first question for today, and that is question number one. So for each of the following exponential, identify the initial starting value, the growth factor, and state whether the equation represents exponential growth or exponential decay. Okay, so we have two equations. I'll start with the first one. So f of x is 420.2 0.68 power x. We need to find the initial or starting value, and we need to find the growth or decay factor. So the thing is that I'll just take the reference. Okay, yeah. So let's say we have a function y equal to, let's say it is a 1 plus r power x, and let's say y is a 1 minus r power x. I just a minute, the initial value. Okay, yeah. So, in the case where we have a positive sign here, it will be the growth. And for the case where we'll have a negative sign in this, it is going to be a decay. And this A is going to be our initial value. Initial value. I don't know why today my handwriting is not looking good. Yeah. So in the first one, we have been given with a function, but the thing is that this function is not in this kind of form. So basically, it should have one. Like we need to equate this 0.68 is equal to 1. Let's say plus x. Then what I'll do, I'll just take x on this side, and I'll bring 0.68 on this side, so it will become negative of x equal to, this will become 1 minus 0.68, and this will be 1 minus 0.68, 0.32. This means x will be minus 0.32. Now the thing is that we were taking the case of growth because um, like if we are taking a positive sign, and if it is negative, then it will become negative. But if we are starting with the negative sign, then later on it will become positive, and it can like change your solution. So it is better to take 1 plus x equal to the number inside the bracket, such that you'll get the magnitude as well as the sign of the this number. So if I just put x equal to minus 0.32, then it will correspond to the case of decay. So I can write f of x as 420.2, 1, then this x will become minus 0.32, and yeah, obviously raised to power x. So don't get confused with this power x and this x. I just let me correct this, I'll just write this as y, not y in fact. I'll give it another value z. Let's just say z. Or yeah, I think let's just say it as r because we have already used r. I'll say that 1 plus r and r. So the first one we have formed in this general kind of, we have just converted this equation in general form. Now we can say initial value. So initial value is 420.2 and it is obviously the decaying function. The rate of decay we can say from here. So the decay factor is going to be the number inside this bracket. So decay factor is 0.68 here. Same procedure we are going to follow with the B part. Uh, just add a page here. Yeah. What was the equation B? A of t. Okay. So here a function of t is given as 0.77, 4.91 raised to the power t. So again I'll just write 4.91 equal to 1 plus r. Then r will come here and this will go there. So this will become r equal to 1 minus 4.91 and this will become minus r will become minus 3.91 and I could just divide both the sides with -1. So this will become positive and therefore my r will be positive here. So I can write this as a of t is 0.77 and this will be 1 plus 3.91. So again we have a positive sign here, so we'll have the growth factor here. And the initial value. So the initial value will be 0.77, the value outside the bracket. And let me just check the growth factor. Yeah, so the growth factor also they have given the correct one, which is 4.91. Again, I'm saying that this in terms of 1 plus the number, we are writing it in this term because we just need to verify that whether it will get a growth factor or a decay factor. But the growth factor or we'll get a growth function or decaying function. But the thing is that to get the growth factor, um, we'll just take the value inside the bracket. So this is the value, I guess. And okay, so there is nothing much left for this question. So I'll just say that correct solution. And nice work. Obviously, appreciation is very much important.